So I'm going to show you how you set up basically Twilio and Stripe. Okay, Twilio and Stripe, and I'm just gonna get out of here and do a silent video on how to set this up. So give me a second, guys. So you're gonna see how you set this up, okay? Silently, and then this is how your agency looks, okay? How your agency looks and how you set it up. I'm gonna put myself here in the corner. And so look at that. And how you're gonna set Twilio. You're gonna find an account SID. Okay, account SID. So follow this step by step. And I'm gonna disappear for a second.